Hi, I'm Zoltan, and I'm here with another lesson or a little episode about jazz bass and the swing style bass in particular. Now, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the phrasing of notes when we play a bass line. And as you know, in jazz, we'll play most swing style playing is centered around 4/4. So playing 4 notes in a 4/4 bar. Now, people have mixed opinions about this, and some people like to accent certain notes, some people don't. Now, I had the opportunity to study with the great jazz bassist Charlie Haden at California Institute of the Arts in Los Angeles. And while I was there, watching Charlie on numerous occasions, watching him play and hearing him talk, he always told us not to accent anything and treat every note the same. Treat every note exactly the same as the others. And therefore, you will get a very, very good and driving and forward moving bass line. So he would just play something, for example, let's say I'll play a few bars of a standard, let's say Stella by Starlight. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on and so on. So everything is, every note is played with the same amount of accent and with the same amount of care given to it. Now, while you play jazz, and then you'll meet throughout the years of your playing experience, you'll meet all sorts of different people, different drummers and different soloists, and everybody will have their own kind of take on this. Now, a lot of people, and I've worked with great drummers in the US, in Europe, and wherever else, in Australia, wherever. Some drummers like to have that kind of 2 and 4 accent, from a bass player. Maybe that helps them, so they don't have to work that hard. But I do like that too, actually. I prefer both, to be honest, and I'd like to always listen to my surrounding, and if it's something where I know that that accenting the 2 and 4 will fit in, then I will play like that. But if I know that, if I sense that, and I'm better off just playing 4 even notes, then that's what I will probably do. So just use your ears, But the 2 and 4 is a great thing as well, because it gives you that kind of 2 and 4 jazz swing feel. That jazz swing is all about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that loose but real tight kind of feel rhythmically. So I'm gonna play a little bass line for you, just another little blues here with this 2 and 4 accented. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is it, and it really is your choice whether or not your ears will like a very even feel or accenting a 2/4. To me, they're both valid and great choices, and so just experiment with them and have fun playing. Thanks for watching, and I'd like to acknowledge Thomas and George Martin for hosting this lesson in their beautiful bass room here. And to find out more about all the great stuff they do for the double bass, please visit thomasmartin.co.uk. Take care, and bye for now.